Hello everyone, good evening. I hope I'm audible. If I am audible to you, please write in the chat box. I hope I'm audible. If I'm audible, please write in the chat box. So let me know who are available on screen, on live streaming. So we will wait for 2 more minutes, then we will start. Hello everyone, I hope I am audible. If I am audible, please write in the chat box. Hello everyone, am I audible? Please write in the chat box. Hello everyone. Good evening. I hope I am audible. If I'm audible, please write in the chat box. We will start our session soon. Ask your colleagues to join. So today agenda is we are going to see the least tuple dictionary set known as the sequential data type, sequence data types, and we will see Numpy also, and then we will solve the questions and answers, previous year's questions answers. Okay, so Om will join us after 1 hour. Right now I am going to take the session. So ask your colleague to join as soon as possible so that we can start our session and they can take the advantage from this session. Yes, please write in the chat box. Am I audible, everyone? Hello. Am I audible? Okay, so let's begin the session. I'm going to share my screen first. So let me share my screen. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible to you all. I hope my screen is visible. Please write in the chat box if my voice is clear and you can see my screen. I hope my screen is visible to you all. Okay, now it's visible, right? Okay. Okay, Dhruv. I will read for 1 more minute. If your colleagues are interested, they can join with us and learn something. Meanwhile, in the session, if you are having any queries, feel free to write in the chat box. We will definitely guide you. The agenda behind this session is to prepare you for the Python for Data Science upcoming exam for which is going to be held on 20th September. Right. I hope my screen is there, right? Are you able to see my screen? Okay, so let's begin with the session. Alright, so welcome to Cyber Acharya. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining on the live session for the Week-2 doubt solving and revision session of the Python for the Data Science. The agenda, as I told you, the agenda behind this, to arrange this session, to prepare you, we want you to prepare for the 20th September exam. So let's revise some concept. So Week-2 from the author of the NPTEL SWAYAM. It is designed to understand the list, tuple, dictionaries, and set. Okay, so let me tell you the timeline. For sake of 45 minutes, I'm going to take the revision conceptual things for the list, tuple, dictionary, and set. And after this, Bhut will take care of the questions and answers and different concept if required. Meanwhile, if you are getting any difficulties, feel free to write in the chat box. I hope my voice is audible and you can see my screen. So let's begin with the session. So if someone asks what exactly Python sequences are, so agenda behind this session is to see what are the sequences operations, type of sequences in the Python, list, tuple, strings, sets, dictionary. Actually, this is very big concept, but those are the big concepts, big topics, but I will be little bit fast. If you find any queries, you just write in the chat box. We will go through with these all the stuffs, okay? All right, so let's begin with the first one. What exactly sequence is? So you put sequences are nothing but the containers with items that are accessible by indexing or slicing. So let me open my notepad so that I can show you something in the writing. Keyword is slicing and indexing. Okay, so we will see later on what exactly this slicing and indexings. So what are the sequence operations? Concatenation, repetitions, membership testing, slicing, indexing. This we are going to see what exactly concatenation is. So concatenation is nothing but by using the plus operator. By using the plus operator, if we merge the things, right? Repetition, repeat the strings or list. We will check the membership. What exactly membership operator is or in. Membership operator is nothing but the in and not in, right? Slicing Slicing means multiple elements access, element, and indexing means single elements, right? Single elements. So we will see this one by one, but I hope you understand what exactly slicing is. If I want to access the multiple elements from the string or multiple elements from the list, that then we have to use the slicing. If we want to access the single elements, then we have to access, we have to do the indexing, right? So these concepts in brief we will see very quickly by practical. So types of sequences: list, tuples, sets, dictionaries, strings. But there are basically, again, if this comes into the picture, obviously we must go to this difference. What is mutable objects and immutable objects? Okay. So what do you mean by mutable? What is the meaning of mutable? So sir, object can be changed after creation. So if you create the list, you can change later on. What is immutable objects? So object can't be changed after creation. Means, let's say string is the best example. Once you create the string, you cannot change the string. Done. So this is the keyword. First, this one is the keyword. So let's quickly go through the one by one. Object can be changed is the keyword. Can't be changed is immutable. Generally provides a method to add or remove elements, so it allows adding and deletion. It does not provide any method to add or remove in the immutable. Done. Come on. Third one. Slower to access compared to immutable. This one is the slower, this one is the quicker, right? So generally in the exam and in the NPTEL also, they are asking what is the mutable, or which data type is mutable, or which data types is immutable. So if you know this 5 rows of differences, then it would be very helpful to you, right? Let me read the next one. Changing mutable objects is easy. It is very and expensive or can't be changed. Sometimes it is expensive, otherwise you cannot change. So if you create a tuple, right, you cannot change. It is difficult actually, right? So has a getter and setter method and has only getter method. So we will see how it will work. But come on, very quickly let me go through with this again. Can be changed, can't be changed, right? Add and deletion or remove is possible. Here add and deletion is not possible, right? It is slower than immutable, it is quicker, right? Changing mutable object is easy and efficient, right? So it is easy, it is difficult or expensive, you can say that. And this method can be used for mutable object and immutable object. So sir, what are the mutable objects and immutable objects? Let's see very quickly. So here you can identify what are the mutable. Of course, I took this reference from the internet itself. So anywhere you refer any books or internet resources, you can find like this. So as I said, let's compare now with the difference. List, I can add, I can remove, I can delete, right? So it is mutable. Set, dictionary, I can add, I can delete, right? Likewise, byte arrays and arrays, right? So if I say these are the data types which is known as the mutable data types. Done, dear all? And if I say integer, you cannot change, you cannot delete. Done. Floating point, boolean, string. Once I write Snehal, right? You cannot change, or you cannot add Z in between Snehal, right? So it is immutable. I will show you the example also in the next one. Come on. Let's say tuple, immutable, and rest of others are also the best example of the immutable. Right now we are going to touch list, set, dictionary, array, numpy array. We will see here from here string, tuple. We are going to see. I'll show you something about integer also. Till now it's clear. If you are getting me, please write in the chat box. Till now it's clear, everyone. Why I'm showing this? I mean, it is little bit quite boring, but trust me, from this data type, I mean from this table and difference, trust me, NPTEL will ask the question for sure. For example, let's say set is mutable or immutable, right? Likewise, they will confuse. They will say string is mutable or immutable, right? So you have to write like this. So till now it's everything okay. Please write okay if you are getting me. Please write okay if you are getting me. Then we'll go to next. Be interactive, I mean in the chat box, so that I can get something. I can receive your feedback. So come on, what is list? So list is the most versatile data type in Python, right? And it consists of multiple data types, right? And these are the operation of the list. Let's say append, insert, extend, index, right? Remove, sort, and reverse. Again, if you are practicing for the list, right, you must have to go through with this all operations, so it would be very easy for you. Okay, right. So let me quickly go through with the coding part so that you can get the idea. I hope my screen is visible and I zoom in, so very easy to recognize the things. So how to create a list, sir? So let's say I am taking the name of list as X. I am using Google Colab, right? So let's say if I write X is equal to this square bracket. Square bracket is the identity of the list, okay? So if I run this code and if I write int of X, so it will print blank list for you. But sir, how can I recognize that this is the list or not? So then Python built-in function. So see, whatever I'm showing, it may ask in the exam also. Okay, beta. So let's take care of this all stuffs. So if you write type X, it will show you, sir, it is list, right? So we are doing that. The square bracket is a list. Done. Let's say if you are working with the parenthesis, X is a parenthesis, then it would be your tuple. So come on, list was mutable, tuple is immutable. I'll show you how to add the elements and all. Okay, come on. If you are writing in the parenthesis, right? This is curly braces. Sorry, curly braces. And if I run this code, it is dictionary. Right? But if I write something like this, let's say 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, and let's run this code. Now see, it is set. Now how this happens, sir? So please remember right now, this is at least we will remember, if you put the square bracket, it will be list. If you put the round, it means parenthesis, it will be tuple. If you put the curly braces, it will be dictionary. If you write something in a repeated manner, see 1, 2, 3, and see again I repeat the 1, so it will become the set. Now why set? Because it will pick the unique elements only. So see, 1 is repeating 2 times, but it is taking 1 time. 2 is unique for 1 time, 3 is unique for 1 time. So see, we discussed the list, tuple, dictionary and set here. Now let's see how to go through with the different operation of the list, tuple and dictionary. Meanwhile, please write something in the chat box if you are getting me, right? Can I go next? Is this boring? Should I skip anything? Don't worry, I will be little bit fast, but if you stuck somewhere, let me know. Okay? Yes. Can I go next then? Right? I'm waiting for your response in the chat box. Okay. Thanks, dear. So let's go to the next. Okay, Durgesh is there. Ansh Dolakia, are you there? Yeah, thanks, Black Panther. I hope few more students to be joined after 9:30, I guess. Okay, anyways. So if you are from Andhra, ask your colleagues to join because it will be revision sessions for you, right? So let's say I am writing list. Now, what is the beauty of list, sir? I can add multiple elements at one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more beauty of list is you can add multiple data types. So see, integer, 2.5 is float, right? True is a boolean, 1 plus 2j is the complex, right? Let me write something also. Let's say hello, right? Let me write list inside list 1, 2, 3, right? I can write tuple also. Let's say 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, right? So the beauty of this is you can add the multiple data types at one, right? If you want to get access with the different data type, right? So you can write if you want to iterate the elements from the existing list, you can write like for I in X, simple print I. So you will get the different iterations from the list. So this is the first how you can create the list. All right. So let's again go to the next one so that you can get more idea of this. Don't worry, I will be in fast mode so that because it is revision. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that I'm going to add here. Right? And if I run this print x, and one more built-in functions that I would like to, first is type. If I write type x, so it will print the type, right? But if I write print length of x, right? Length of x, so it will show you the total elements inside the length, right? Total elements inside the list. So let's see if I want to print both at a time. So I have to write the type and length. So see, type is list, sir, and total 5 elements are there inside the list. I hope you are getting it. Done? Please let me tell you, after on 10 o'clock we will start the question answer also, so please stay connected. Let me start with the different operations of the list quickly, and very useful operations are append, extend and insert. So let's say if someone says, Snehal sir, please add the 6 in the existing list, how to add this 6? So let's say 6 dot, x is the existing list. I am going to use the append function, and inside the append functions I will write the 6, and if I write print x again, then you can find 6 is added. But what is the beauty of append? Append always add the elements at the last of the existing list, right? So see, till now you have observed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but at the last 6 is added. Done, dear all? So likewise append. Sir, can I add the multiple elements? So let's say 7, 8, 9 and 10 I want to add in the existing list. Is it possible? So you will get the error. Why? Because it is showing, sir, append takes exactly one argument but you given 5. So it's not possible. So sir, how to add the multiple elements? So multiple elements from the append it's not possible, but yes, of course you can add the entire list format. So see, I added the square bracket, and if I run this code, so you can find 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is added here. Done? At the last of the list. Now sir, how to access the different elements? So currently let me remove this append again. So if you want to access, so there are, as I told you, the two method. Let me write for your reference. So see, once you understand the list, it would be easy for tuple, dictionary, set and Numpy also. So don't worry, I will not take much time on that. I will only teach you list. Automatically you will get the all informations, right? So as I told you, indexing. So indexing will give you only single element access, right? And I told you slicing. Slicing will give you multiple elements. Done. So let me show you. Now if you say, Snehal sir, we are having one existing list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please access element 3. Now it is single, right? So this is known as the, now each indexing and slicing you can go through with the positive indexing and negative indexing, right? Positive and negative indexing. Again, slicing can be positive and negative. Okay. So positive will start from the 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And negative will start from the -1 right to left. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 like this. Done? So please remember this all stuff. So it would be very easy for you to handle the things, right? So let's say if I say I want to go through print the 3 by using positive indexing. So what is positive index? It is 3. By using negative indexing, sir, -1, -2 and -3 is the negative indexing. I'll show you for both. And trust me, indexing means single elements. Okay. So let me run this code for you. Let's say print x of 2. You have to write in the square bracket so that you can fetch the 3, right? If negative indexing -3, so see, again it is showing you 3. Come on, tell me, if I want to print 4, then what should I do? If I want to print 4 by positive and negative indexing, what should I do? Come on. If I want to print 4 by positive indexing, sir, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And sir, -1 and -2 for a negative indexing. Done. So let's say if I write 3, it will print 4 for me, right? If I write -2, it will print 4 for me. Done, dear all? Any doubt? Clear? Now sir, please print. Now I told you single element means indexing. Now multiple elements, sir, please print 2, 3, 4 by positive indexing. Now 2, 3, 4 by positive indexing, how it's possible? What should I do? What should I write? So slicing, this concept is known as slicing. If you want to print multiple elements, so it is in this format. Let me show you. Like dash colon dash colon dash. Done. So here you can write start. Here you can write stop. Here you can write step. Done. So let's say if I want to print 2. So 2 start index means 0 and 1. So if I write 1 here and I want to stop where, let's say 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have to take 4 because it is always exclusive by -1. And if you print this one, you will get the 2, 3, 4. I hope you are getting me, right? Do I need to repeat anything? Do I need to repeat slicing part? Please write in the chat box. Do I need to repeat in the slicing part? Yes. I hope you are getting me, right? Any doubt, any issues for the indexing and slicing? Right? So likewise, you can do negative indexing also. You can use the step also. Okay. So everything you can use here. Done? Done? So let's say, Snehal sir, if I write only colon, what will happen? So it will by default take start, stop, step, null, and it will print the same list. Snehal sir, what if I write only start? Of course, it will start from the first index, but stop not defined. So automatically it will take reach till the end, right? So let's say if I write this, see, starting from first index, it is 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, sir, I will print. So sir, what if you write only, let's say 3? So by default it will take start from a 0, 1, 2 and 3. So I told you last one is always -1, exclusive by -1. So it will stop 1, 2, 3. So let's see what is the result. So see, it is printing 1, 2 and 3. Right? Let me create little bit bigger list. Let's say 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? So now see. Okay. Now Snehal sir, please print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. Now would you please give me the answer how to print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by using positive indexing? Come on. In the chat box. Yes. Can you give me the positive slicing to print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Yes. So what should be the, I want to print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So let's say 0, 1 and 2. So start would be 2, right? Then stop would be 7. Why 7? So let me write for you. Sir, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more element you need to take. So 7, right? So you will write 7 and it will print the things for you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done, everyone? Now, Snehal sir, what if I want to print this elements reverse? Reverse. Snehal sir, what if I want to print 10 to 1, right? So let's say if I write minus, if I remove everything, if I write -1, then see it will print 10 to 1. Now again, if someone is going to give you challenge, please print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by using negative indexing. What you will do? Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by using negative indexing. What you will do, beta? Negative slicing, sorry. Negative slicing. If you want to print, don't worry, I will take 15 minutes more, okay? Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By using negative slicing. What do I need to do? Anybody? Negative slicing. Sir, let's start. Sir, negative slicing start from -1, -2, -3 and -4. Done. So, sir, my 7 is coming on -4. Let's say -5, -6, -7, -8. On the -8, my 3 is there. So do I need to write -8 here, sir? -8 here? Yes. So yes, something is coming. 3. Right? But again, I gave the -1 step, so it is going -2, -1. Let me remove this one. And let's run now. So sir, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we have to stop ourselves till 7. So do I need to write -4? Do I need to write -4 and it will stop? 3, 4, 5, 6. No. But again, I have to print this one. Do I need to write -3? Yes. Till -3. If you write, sir, then it will print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is called negative slicing method for the list. Do I need to repeat again? Do I need to repeat anything, dear all? I hope you are getting me. Yes? Any doubt? Clear? Concept is clear, dear all? Yes. So we were discussing about list. We checked what is indexing, what is slicing, right? Indexing is used for to fetch the single element, right here all. Then slicing to fetch the multiple element. Done. We started our session by mutable versus immutable data types, right? What are the mutable data types? What are the immutable data type that we discussed, right? Okay. Then we started with the list. List is the mutable data type. And that is the reason you can do different operation like, let's say, append, extend. Let me write like this: append, extend, insert, then delete, remove, right? We will see delete, remove. Okay. Yeah, thanks, dear. So let's say delete. Okay. So till slicing is done. So come on, very quickly. Let's say, sir, x dot append. Sir, if you want to add 100 at the last, right? And sir, print of x, then it will add the 100 at the last. See, existing list was 10 till 10. Now, sir, if I want to add multiple elements, then you have to write extend. Inside the extend, let's assume that, sir, I want to add 11, then 22, 33, 44 at a one time, right? So let me run this code again. Sorry, I have to mention this as a list. Okay. I have to mention this as a list. Now if I run this code, see 10, 11, sorry, 11, 22, 33, 44 is added as a single elements at the last. Is this clear till now? So we discussed extend also. So append done, extend also. Now if someone says, "Snehal sir, please add 100 between 5 and 6. What should I do?" So let's say I will add this one. Let's see if I write insert. Now between 5 and 6, sir, you want to add, right? I want to add 100 between 5 and 6. I want to add 100. So what is what will be the position of the index? So let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the fifth position I can put the 100 and 6 will be moved next one. Done. So let's say on the fifth position I want to add 100, and if I run this code, now see 100 is added. 100 is added in between 5 and 6, and the now 100 position is the fifth index and sixth is moved to the next one. It is not delete, okay? It is not getting deleted. I hope it's clear, everyone, right? I hope it's clear. Can I go next then? So come on. What we discussed till now? Append, extend, insert. Now let me show you some more operation called remove. So let's say, sir, x dot remove. And sir, I want to remove 8. 8 number. 8 number. Let's say this one, 8 number. So let me run this code for you. Control this. Now see, 8 is removed. Directly 7 and 9. Getting me? Done. So please remember this function. Remove is used to remove the element. But now there is one more function called pop. POP pop. Done. And if I write pop 0. Now 0 will be index now. Okay. 0 will be index now. So it will remove 1. Then again next 0 will be 2. So again if I run this code, then it will remove the 2 also. Done. So pop will remove the based on the index. So let me write this code again. Trust me, these all things will be can be asked in the exam. Okay. So see, 1 is removed. 0th index. Come on, let's try again. If I say let's remove 4 number. So what is the index of 4? Sir, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So if I write 3 there, if I write, let's say in the pop 3, then it will remove 4. See, there is no 4 in between. Getting me or not, beta? Yes? I hope you are getting me, right? Now, very quickly again, let me show you. If I write remove, then it will remove the element. Let's say if I write remove 3, then it will remove 3. If I write remove 10, then it will remove 10. Done. So let's see if I write remove 3. See, it is removing 3. Done. One more thing that I would like to discuss about pop. Pop. Let's say if I am not writing anything as an index inside the pop. Done. So it will remove the thing from the last one. So first it will remove 10. Then if I run again 9, 8 like this. Okay. So let me run this code for you. So see, 10 is removed. Right. If I write 0, then it will remove from the first. See, first is removed. Getting me? I hope you are getting me. Right. I hope it's easy to understand. So append, let me write something for append. Adding the element at the last of the list, last of the existing list. Adding the single element, single element, not a multiple elements. Okay, here adding the multiple elements at the last of the list. Okay, and in insert, adding the single element again. Okay, single element in between the existing elements, right? We check the remove. Now remove is used to, remove based on, or let's say remove the element, and you have to write something in the parenthesis, the element name only, right? Whereas if we use, if we use pop, and inside the parenthesis you have to write the index, right? You have to write the index. So based on index, it will delete the element. Okay, dear all, great. Now still, sir, you created x1 to 10, but I want to delete x. Delete x. And again, if you try print x, then what will happen? Obviously, if there is no existing list, then I will get the error. See, till now code run, sir x, then print x, 1 to 10. But after this, once I remove this one, sir x is not defined. Done? So it is deleted. Okay, so it is used to delete the entire list. Done. Now let me quickly go through with few more example. Let's say one is 1 2 3 4 5, and y is equal to, let's say, 6 7 8 9 and 10. Done. And if I want to merge these two, this is known as the concatenation by plus operator. So what will happen? It will merge the list. See, 1 to 10. Getting me? It will merge the list. Yeah, Aryan, welcome. Okay. I hope you all are there and you are listening me and everything going smooth and your doubt is going to get cleared, right? Any doubt till now so far? Right, so see, we discussed the concatenation. Above, I told you what is concatenation. So see, append we see, append we discussed, insert we discussed, extend, index we have discussed, we seen the remove, right? Now, concatenation I shown you, right? Sorting and reverse, right? How to do the sorting, beta. Right, so let's say if I write x dot sort, and let for to understand this sorting, let me write random. Let's say 22, then 1, then let's say 99, then let's say 32, let's say 18, then let's say 12, let's say 46, kind of thing, right? If I run this code and let's say print of x, okay, now see it is sorted. Sir, 1, 12, 18, 22, ascending sorting. Done. It is ascending sorting, right? If I do reverse, I hope till now it's clear, right? Anything? Okay. Now if I want to print reverse, and print X. Okay, sorry. Let me write like this. 232. Sorry, in the sort. Reverse. True. I'm getting error. Sorry, I think reverse any. It should be okay. 1 to 99. Inside the parenthesis, if I write reverse true for sorting function, just a minute. See, it is showing me this one, reverse colon. Okay. Reverse, no, just a minute. It should print reverse false if I write. No, but somewhere I am making mistake. Okay, I'll see and I'll get back to you on this. But this is sorting. So inside sorting, if you write something, I mean reverse, it will show. Okay, let me check it. Okay, remove done, append done, extend done, right? You can do multiplication also. If you want to find the elements count, you can find it from here also. Right? Like this, x dot count, how many times threes are there, how many times twos are there, you can find it, right? You can do the repetition, you can do the concatenations. So this is all about list. You can clear your list by writing the clear function. Okay. If you want to remove, I already discussed. Sorting, if you write reverse function, it will reverse the things. Okay. Length of list. Now tuple. Let me quickly go through with the tuple. Just a minute. So okay. Let me welcome Om. Om, you are on screen now.
Yeah. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, I'm
So
audible?
I'll finish within 10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sure, sir.
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So tuple. Tuple is favicol ka jod. Okay. You cannot change. So as I told you, once I create the tuple, right, it is a parenthesis. If I run this code, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. But as per the list, if I say append, sir, once it is created, if I want to add the element, it is possible? It is possible? No, it will give you error. Excuse me. What error? Tuple object has no attribute. Append, right? So it is not possible, and that is the reason tuple is immutable, right? Uh, so likewise, you cannot delete, you cannot get extend, you cannot insert the things, but of course, you can do slicing, concatenations, repetitions by asterisk star, right? Here you can see a tuple star, right? Once you add the star things, once you add the plus operator, you can do the concatenation. Okay. And you can find the count. So I'm not wasting time in tuple. So tuple is a immutable things. Let me go to string also. So string also you can do slicing and indexing, and it is also immutable. You cannot do append, extend, and insert here. Set is acting like this. So whatever common things are there in A, B, and C, it will print. Okay. I repeat, what are the common things in A, B, and C? Uniquely, it will print. So as I told you in the set, let me create my new set for you so that you can get the idea. Let's say if I write x is equal to, let's say in this format, let's say 1, and print text. Print text. And let's say I want to check the type also. Let's say print type of X. Okay. If I run this code, it is showing you set. Now, because it is unique, right? Now, let's say 1, 2, and 3. Again, it is set. But now, let's say if I write again 1, 2, 3, see, it will take only unique one, 1, 2, 3. Again, if I repeat 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, right? And 4, 5, 6. So see, it will take the unique one only, right? From the elements. So see, 1 is common, 2 is common, sir, 3 is common, 4, 5, 6 is common, single. So that this type is set. Now tell me, set is mutable or immutable? So here you can find add elements and all, right? This is called set. Dictionary. Dictionary. Again, parenthesis. And dictionary is based on the key and values. Okay. It will be written like this: key and its value. Okay. Let me write here: keys and colon and value. So likewise, if I say, let's say key is maths, and let's say if I write 30, so you can say that the value of maths is 30, right? So likewise, your dictionary is acting. Again, I am not going through with more time because you understood the list. So let's say I shown you, let me remove this one. Let's say Hindi 60, Gujarati 70, Science 80, right? So you can find the uh, different keys and values, and this is dictionary, right? Again, it is mutable. You can add, you can remove the things, right? You can do whatever you want with the dictionary. So this is all about dictionary. Let me quickly go through with the numpy. Now again, if you know the list, then numpy would be very easy. Okay, so very quickly let me brush up for the numpy, and then Om will start. I will hand it over to Om. Okay. So what is NumPy? NumPy is the built-in library in the Python, right? It is known as the numerical Python. See, it is known as the numerical Python, and it is used to do the complex mathematics, right? Actually, it is we are using this NumPy to do the different complex mathematics. What kind of mathematics that we can solve by the NumPy? So mathematical and logical operations on arrays, Fourier transform, linear algebra operations, random number generations, we can complete, right? Now, what is array? What do you mean by array? So NumPy is nothing but creating a one-dimensional and two-dimensional and multi-dimensional array. Okay, so how to create the elements by using the NumPy? So import NumPy as NP, always you have to do. So this is a library that we are importing in the Python, right? And the syntax to generate the array is A is equal to, I'm taking the variable where I stored my array. Now, what do you mean by array? What do you mean by array? It is the same data type you store, right? So let's say currently I'm creating with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if I print A, if I do type A, and if I do the shape is nothing but the length of the array, right? It will show you how many elements are there in the. So this is my one-dimensional array because these are the single. But did you observe it is printing as a list? But it is not a list. Why? Because there is no comma. See, there is no comma. I hope you are getting me, right? So there is no comma. So this is called array. But did you see the shape is 10 and comma, there is nothing actually. And that is the reason it is one-dimensional array. Let me create a two-dimensional array for you. Let's say if I run this code, now you can see, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. It seems like a matrix, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sir, 5 rows, 2 columns. Sir, 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 2 columns. So 5 by 2 array that I am generating here. Done. The same way, multi-dimensional array. How to create a multi-dimensional array? So let me run this one. So see, sir, total 2 array. Total 2 array that you are creating, let's say 2. And each array there are 3 rows and 4 columns. And that is the reason 3 rows and 4 columns. I hope you know the IJK for the matrices, right? So it will be like this. Yes, list of same data, dear. Thanks for the response in the chat box. Good. But let me show you something more here. Let's say if I am creating one array, single dimensional array, but anything if I keep in a string, right? So my output will be in the string only. See, same data type. So it is observing some, flow, whether it is you are working with the float or whether you are working with the Boolean data type or whether you are working. So if you write, you mix it up here, it will act accordingly, okay? But it will convert into the single data type only. Done, dear all? In the array, very quickly again, I'll just take the 5 minutes only. If time permits, I will forward this IP by NB. Please do practice of because in NPTEL, they may ask two array multiplication, addition means concatenations. They will ask indexing from the array. They will ask slicing for the array from the array, right? So due to the sort of time, but let me just quickly show you this one. You can transpose your things also, right? So see, numpy addition, simply two array you are just adding, right? Two array that you are adding and it will give you the output. So it will take the elements, okay? I hope you are getting me, right? Any doubt so far, beta? Any doubt so far? Yes. So please remember something about the numpy. I will forward this IPYNB, but please check indexing of the array, slicing of the array, right? Then multiplication of the array, then addition of the array. Sometimes they are asking this kind of questions. Now this is the time. I'm just due to short of time. I hope what we covered today, mutable versus immutable, list, its indexing, list, indexing, slicing, append, extend, insert, delete, remove, pop, multiplications, concatenation, right? Then numpy, we observed, right? So I'm going to hand over my session to Bhut, who will share his experience about the previous year's examinations, who is going to show you the different questions in front of you, right? So if you are interested, you can participate in the questions and answer session, right? uh, you can quick give me the feedback about my part, right? I'm going to open the reactions. You can give me the heart, if you like my session, right? And let me just stop my screen. Yeah, thanks everyone. So, yes. Om, are you there? Am I audible? Om, just give me a minute. Yes, Om, it's your turn.
Yes, sir.
Om,
Yeah. Hello.
yeah, Om, you are audible. Please share your screen.
Okay. Okay, sure, sir. Hello.
Yeah, you are audible, dear.
Yeah.
You just share your screen
Sir,
now.
so shall we start the question answer part?
Yes, of course. You just asked to the uh, uh, viewers also. They can write in the chat box. Viewers, are you ready for the question answer round? Om will share the Q&A. It was already asked in the previous year, right? Okay, so Om, they are ready.
Okay, sir. So let's begin. Let me share my screen.
Yes.
Just a second. Yeah, so my screen is visible.
Just a minute, let me check. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Just a minute. Mm, your screen is not visible. Just a minute. Stay connected, Om.
Okay, sure, sir.
Okay. Yes, now it's
Yeah.
visible, dear. Now it's
Okay.
visible.
Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, of course. Please go ahead.
Sir, so shall we continue with the poll or the students will answer in
They can write in the chat box. Let them write in
okay.
the chat box.
So let's begin with the question number one. The question is
Little
in
bit,
front of
you
you.
just zoom in and show
Yeah.
them the options also.
So visible?
Yes. Just a minute. but it is more zoom in actually. Just little bit make it so that they can see the option. Zoom
Oh,
out so that they can see the option.
done, sir.
And okay, okay, just a minute. Okay, now it's fine. Great, it's fine. Come on, students, please read the question and give the answer in the chat box. If you find any difficulties, write in the chat box. So, what is the question here? My set 10, 20, 30, and my dictionary A1, B2, right? And there are some operations, my set 0, my set 0, my dictionary 0, my dictionary get 0, right? In the fourth
Yes, sir.
operation, is this correct? I mean, get 0 and 1
No,
is there or what? Okay, yeah,
no, it
now
was by
it's,
mistake.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so come on. Viewers, please give your answer. Okay, Black Panther is saying D. Any other? Black Panther is saying D. Yes. Anybody is there? Durgesh, are you there? Ansh Dolakia, are you there? Okay, Black Panther is saying D and 4. Okay, very active. Good. What's your name, dear? May I know your name, Black Panther? Not D4. Okay. Milan. Okay, okay, Milan. Okay, so Om,
Yes,
you
sir.
just discuss the answer. Okay,
Okay,
we
so what
wishes
is your
wishes
answer?
Jani wishes Jani is saying D. Okay,
So let's
thanks
check the
wishes.
answers.
Yeah, dear students, trust me. This will help you to prepare for the exam, and in the NPTEL they will not give you the ideally ID, right? So you have to read and you have to give the answer. Come on.
This the option one is giving an error,
Yes.
so it is incorrect. Even option two is incorrect.
Okay.
Even option three is incorrect. Option four is correct.
Okay.
So according to the options, there was no only option four.
Okay.
It was my mistake, sorry, but actually the correct answer is only option four.
Okay. 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 So only option 4 is correct, right?
Yeah, sir.
So these options are incorrect, which you
Yeah,
mentioned.
I'll add one more option over here.
Okay. Okay. So only option 4 is correct, dear. So Milan, you were right.
None of the
And
above.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's go to the next one, dear.
Yeah, sure. Here is question number two.
Question number 2, please read and try to give answer. At least we will try to attempt 10 to 15 questions. Okay, Milan, great. Yes. Anybody? Try to explain the question home so that they may get some
Okay.
idea.
So actually, we are having a list which contains data, science, and Python as three different strings. And then after in result, what we are doing is we are joining each of the word with a dash from the list words. We are joining each of the word. That's the maximum explanation can be provided because almost the answer is done in the explanation itself.
Okay. So Milan said B. B for beta.
No, sir.
Okay. Any other answer from the viewer side? Now we are having good strength of viewer, I guess. I mean, enough viewers are there. Yes, anybody? Okay. Explain the question, Alan.
Sir, result would be, let's see what would be the result. According to me, the result should be A. But let's test it. Yeah, it is option A.
It is option A.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right. So, Milan, your answer is good, correct. No, you ticked
Sir,
B.
Milan selected option B.
B, B. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, I
Okay,
guess there is no option A in the chat box.
okay, okay. Anyways, but I hope, Milan, you understood the concept, right? Then
Shall I explain?
uh, quickly explain so that they can
Yeah, okay.
understand, or
So basically, this
if
is
some
just
later on if some
okay, okay,
viewers
sure.
are coming so that they can get the idea.
Yeah, okay. So what does this print is will print separately. This will print Python, science, and data, and we are adding a dash in between. Means we are just joining the words with a dash, and at the end we are even printing one more print statement. Oops, sorry. Uh, yeah. So what this word slicing will do is it will give data and Python. Since there is jam 2 means it will return it will take first word, then it will skip one word, and then after it will take third word. So in this case it will take data, and directly it will take Python. It will skip science in between. And what they are doing in between in this particular step is it is taking Python, science, and data. It means in short it is reversing a list. Since there is a -1 in end, so it is taking full. Means here there is no values, so default it is 0, 0, -1. Here it will be 0, 0, and 2. So what it will do is it will start from 0, go till 0, means start from first value, and it will go till last value and do -1. Means it will reverse all over the list in this first step. And in second step, over here, means over this join, what it will do is all the list all together. There is no minus in this particular list. So what it will do is it will take data first, and then after it will take Python. Got it?
Great, great. And students, this kind of question will be there for sure. about join. Right, Om?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Shall we
So let's
proceed
go.
further?
Yeah, let's go to the next one.
Here is the third question.
Okay. Uh, Explain little bit the question so that they can get
Okay.
idea. Meanwhile, we
Uh,
will.
First, we are importing NumPy. Just, I'll just copy up the question in the code editor. Oops. Copy. Yeah. First, we are importing NumPy and we are creating a NumPy array, which consists means A consists array of 1, 2, 3, and 4. B consists of array 5, 6, 7, and 8. What we need to do is we need to multiply A and B. At the same time, we need to do A dot B. Means we need to create a dot product and we even need to multiply both of them. So what would be the result of this both the prints? I guess there is options. Yeah, there is options in this question. I'll zoom in a bit. Just try to give the answer.
Yeah. So
Means you just need to you need not to tell what would be the answer of multiplying A with B, but you just need to assume that what it is doing. Is it performing a matrix multiplication, or else it is performing element wise multiplication, or both at the same time likewise?
So, students, you can keep your pen and paper with you so that you can uh, do your rough work also.
But sir, actually this question is logical question, means that they
Yeah,
need not to solve it. They just
yes.
need to say that it is doing element wise multiplication or matrix
Hmm.
multiplication,
Yes,
or
yes,
both
yes.
at the same time, like.
Right, right, right. So, yes, any answer in the chat box?
Sir, actually
Okay.
what do I think is they should answer like question 3 and the option number.
No, no, I'm getting the things, no issue.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, people are writing answer
Yeah,
B
Anshul
for
and Black Panther both are correct.
correct. B. B is the correct answer. Very good.
So
Let's
shall
go
we
to the
proceed
next
further?
one.
Right. Yeah, here is question 4. What does it tell is what will happen if you try to access a non-existing key in a dictionary using my dict key versus my dict dot get key. Actually, this is a good one. Actually, it has been explained in one of the week of NPTEL. If you have watched the videos, it is actually been explained the difference between accessing the key directly and accessing the key via get method. There is a difference between both. If you have watched the videos, you will get to know the answer.
Come on, please read the question and give the answer for question 4, beta. Try. Okay, Anchal is saying B for beta. Let's wait for other. ओम क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन में अच्छे लोग ज्वाइन हो गए. मेरे में तो पांच छह लोग थे. So they like, and hopefully it will help them. Of course, uh,
Definitely, definitely, sir.
uh, if they solve this one, it will help them in the exam. Okay, Milan is saying
Definitely.
B for beta. Anjali is saying B. Okay. Any other? I was few more students were there. But yeah, Vishesh is there. Vishesh, do you want to give any answer? Vishesh. Then Aryan, are you there? Aryan, Dhruv, Aryan, Vishesh. Participate in the quiz at least. Anyways, go ahead. Is this correct? B is beta.
Yes, yes, sir. It's yes. B is correct.
Very good. Both are champion. Huh?
So
Let's go
here
to
is
next.
question 5. What does it says is X contains a string A, B, C, D. Y is just joining. It contains joining things. Means the function of joining. And Z contains X dot join. So what you need to do is you need to print Y and Z. What will be the value of Y and Z?
Very good question.
Actually, there is no option. You just need to give the answer by yourself.
Okay.
So definitely you need to solve. You can't just click any of the options.
Hmm. Slightly zoom in, dear. Slightly. Slightly. Bas, bas, bas. Okay. Any. Yes, Aryan is there. Okay. Aryan, please participate in the quiz. I mean, question answer session. Dhruv is there. Of course, we will get answer from you all. Come on, try to understand. If you are not getting the question, will repeat again. You write in the chat box,
Shall I?
so you repeat again. Not right now. Let them solve. Okay, Chira Gahir is saying A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay.
Sir, actually it's the print value.
Ha ha ha. Yes, yes, yes. But I hope, uh,
More answers, please.
yes, Aryan is saying B, C, D. Okay.
Any more answers?
Any other? Great. Good. Few more students are joining. Okay. Explain the answer. Oh,
Yes, sir, it's correct. The answers in the comment section are correct.
very good.
A dash B dash C dash D, and then one more dash.
Very good. Very good. Okay, very good, students. I hope you are reading the questions and giving the
I'll
answer.
just run the code once again.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So the doubts have been cleared.
Hmm.
Actually, this will join a dash in between of every character. It will print
Mm-hmm.
A dash B dash C and D, and this will print a dash at the end of AB of this particular thing. So the final answer will be A dash B dash C dash D and one more dash.
Nice. Great.
Okay.
Great, everyone
So
who put your correct
just
answer.
proceeding further with next question.
Yes, next question. Question number six, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Which of the following object does not support indexing?
Ah, very good. Very good question. Easy
I
question.
guess sir, you covered this thing just now.
Yes, yes. Which of the following object does not support indexing? So tuple can be accessed by index. Index means single elements. List can be accessed by index, dictionary, index, set. Okay, Milan is saying D, D for delta. Any other? I think before home session, I already discussed how to get access with the index. Index means single elements. Anchal is saying D. Very good. D for delta. Any other? All right. So, Om, please go ahead and explain the answer.
Yes, sir. It's the option D is correct. Let's
Perfect.
go to question 7th.
Let's go to question number 7, dear all.
Yeah. Given a numpy array, ARR equals to NP dot array, and there is an array till 1 to 9. What is the output of the following command? Let me write a code for the same, and actually it may not be properly visible. There is an array till here. We need to print. Oops.
You
Yeah,
got
it
the
doesn't
answer.
matter. Actually, I have not been imported. So
Okay. Okay. NumPy, import NumPy as NP, right?
yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Come on,
So what
students.
would be the output of this particular code?
Okay. Aryan is saying D for delta. Any other? Very good. We are getting some answers from the viewers. Yes, any other? C. Milan is saying C. Any other? Okay, D and C. Om, please go ahead and explain.
Okay. The answer is D. Let's
Sorry?
execute it. C for the
C.
cat.
Okay. C for Charlie.
Yes. 4, 5, and 6. What it is doing is let's see this particular thing in 3D. This is a first array. This is our second array. Yeah. So what we need to do is we need to take 0, 1 means we need to take first array means a zeroth index array, and then after we need to take one from that zeroth array. So here the zero index array is this whole array, this, and here the first index array is 4, 5, and 6. So it will be the 4, 5, and 6 the answer.
Great. So, very good, Milan. Your answer is correct. Let's go to the
Proceed
next
with
one.
the next question. Oops.
Which one? Question number
Question number 8.
8.
What is the output of the following code? Here is the code. I'll write in the next code section part. Actually, I need to wait just a second, please. Actually, I have written, I guess. Yeah, it's written. Yeah. Here is the code. I'll zoom in a bit. So what you need to do is there is a set of numbers 1, 2, 4, and 5. There is an empty list. Uh, we are going for through a for loop which contains a range from length of s. This total it will go for 4, means the range is 4, and it is appending 1 plus I, and it is printing list. So what would be the answer? I guess it is printing I. Yeah, it is printing I. Any answers?
Yes, dear. Any answer for question number 8? I think very interesting question it is. Okay, we will wait for 30 seconds more.
Actually, I think this is L, not I.
Okay.
Oops.
Yes, we are waiting.
Any answers? If there is no answer, we'll proceed further with next question.
Let's wait for 10 more seconds. Okay, we are getting answer from Milan. It is C for Charlie.
Yes, it's L here. Yeah, it's L.
L, L. It is L. Yeah,
It's not I, it is L.
L. Anchal is also
Okay,
saying
okay.
C
Yeah,
for
sure. The
Charlie.
answer is C. Actually, it was been executed. Let's skip I over here.
Okay, you are changing to I.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what will be the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Students, please check this last change and accordingly give the answer. Previously it was L, now it is I. Only three. Milan is saying only three. Any other? Okay, please go ahead and explain the things.
Yes, sir. It's 3 because the length is 4 means, and the output will be 3.
Three. Great. Good. Good, Milan.
So proceeding further with question 9. What is the output of the following code? We are importing a numpy. Uh, then after we are creating an array of a range from 0 to 15. Then we are reshaping it. Try to solve it by yourself. Make sure that the range is starting from 0 and it is going till 15. You just need to give an output of array, which array will be there from this all the options.
Okay, anybody? Okay, very easy actually. And
Yes, sir.
it must be very quick. Try, dear, or try. Okay, Chirag is coming to the picture. C for Charlie. Milan is also saying C for Charlie. Any other?
Sir, this is the only answer. We should proceed further.
Yes, yes. C for Charlie.
Yes, sir, it's correct. Since it will start from 0, it will go till 15. So 15 will not be counted. It will counted only till 14,
Great.
starting
Then go
from
to
0.
the next one.
Yeah. Here is question 10. What does it says is which of the following code gives output my friend's house in Chennai? So we are given a place as Chennai, and here is print statements. This is easy.
Yes, please. Please go ahead. Let me write here. Question number 10. Which of the following code gives output? My friend's house is in Chennai. This is really very easy question again. Printing game. Uh, we are not getting answer. Please, Om, explain and go next.
Okay. So the answer will be A and D.
Okay.
I'll just try to print. So here's the first option. My friend's house is in Chennai. So it's correct. Option 1 is correct. We'll try for option 2. It is giving an error because there is no dot coming in between of any print statement. It should be comma. And again,
So,
there is one more thing. Uh, if you are using a single inverted comma in between of the print statement, then you need to use like this, using a backslash. And means you can't use like single inverted comma in between two single inverted commas. If you want to use this particular thing, you can use a double inverted comma from for start and end. Likewise. So option 2 is also incorrect. Even option 3 is incorrect since there is a comma in between. So the last option is option A and 4, A and D.
okay. So Milan was asking it was a multiple answer. So yes,
Yes, yes.
yes, yes. If
So
you think it
you can
is
proceed.
multiple, then you can write option accordingly, Milan. Okay. Good, great. So where we are?
Proceeding for question
Yeah,
11.
11.
So what does the question 11 tell us is we are having a tuple containing 1, 2, tuple 4, means tuple is a string, and tuple 2 contains 5, 6, and 7. Which of the following will not give an error after the execution? So these are the options that you just need to execute. Which of the following will not give any error? Before correcting any of the option, please do read the question because we made a same mistake in week one.
Yes.
Week one, question one. It was
Hmm.
been told that we need to select the invalid one, but we selected the valid one. So please make sure.
Come on, quickly. Take 10 to 15 seconds to answer. Very easy again. Okay, Anjali is saying B for beta, C for Charlie, and E
Okay,
for, yeah,
let's wait for some
EC.
more answers.
Okay.
Else we should proceed further.
Uh, yes, yes. Please go ahead and explain whether it is correct or wrong.
Okay. So the correct answers are A, B, and E. Anchal is correct.
Anchal BCE. She
Yes, sir. Sorry, B, C, E. Yes, yes, B, C, E. They are the
BCE.
correct answers. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, great answer.
Shall I execute the code?
I guess no need, no need.
Yeah,
Go to the,
because answers is in front.
yeah, yeah.
So
Go
let's
to the
proceed further with
question,
question
question number 12.
12. Yeah, I guess it's the similar one. You just need, there is a dictionary and you need to tell which will not give any error. Yeah, which will not give any error. A dictionary contain 1 equals to Python, 2 equals to a list containing 1, 2, and 3.
Hmm. Come on, quickly. Yes, anybody? Come on, we will solve till 20, okay?
Okay, sir.
Anchal is saying A and C.
Correct, sir.
Very good. Let's go to the next
So
one,
let's
30.
proceed. Yeah. Which of the following data type is immutable?
Oh, very easy again. Come on. We started our sessions from these things, right? Question number 13, which is immutable. Come on, list is mutable. Then set is mutable means you can change. Immutable
Change, yeah.
means you cannot change. Once it is created, you cannot change. Come on, come on, come on.
It should be quick.
Yes, very good. Milan C. Any other? Of course, list is mutable.
Yeah,
Anchal is also C. A set is
yeah.
mutable. Dictionary is mutable. So, of course, tuple is immutable. Very good, both of you.
Yes. So let's proceed further with question 14.
Yes, of
What
course.
does it say is we are having a list of named as student containing name as Chani, age as 25, courses as maths and statistics. So which among the following will return name as Jenny, age as 26, course as maths, statistics, and phone number as 123 456. So you just need to analyze the options and say which of the following will return this particular option. uh, which has been highlighted over here. Yeah,
Little bit zoom in. Little bit. Little. Zoom in. In.
done sir.
Little zoom in. Zoom in.
More.
No, you are zoom out. You are doing zoom out. Zoom in. Yeah, big one.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, 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 okay. That
Okay.
perfect, perfect.
So, what will be the output of this particular question?
Come on, come on, come on. Last six questions, then we are going to attempt.
Option B.
Okay, B for beta. Any other?
More options.
Anchal is saying B for beta and C for Charlie both.
Yeah, there may be two options also.
Okay.
I guess Black Panther is Milan, right?
Yeah, Milan, Milan.
Yeah, Milan. Are you sure with option B?
He is saying only B.
Only B.
Yeah, B for beta.
Are you
Please
sure
go.
it may be only B? Let's
Yes,
see. I think you are firm enough with your answer. You shouldn't that much. You shouldn't be that much actually. Sometimes, yeah.
yes.
Oh, what's an error? Okay, this is a list, and this is the options. We'll execute each and every options one by one, and let's see if Milan is correct. So, what was the answer?
Milan
B
is
and
saying
C, and
B.
only B.
Yeah,
So, what does B says is B is this. This is B. It is executing print student. And this is C. Print. Okay. It will be both.
which one?
Both. Sir, it will be both B and C.
Correct. So
Actually,
what?
both the thing are giving the same answer.
Hmm.
And it will not only be only option B. It will be both option B and C. Anchal is correct.
Anshul is correct. Well try, Milan. Great. Let's go to the
So
next.
never be firm enough with your answer. There are questions where you need to select multiple options, but fortunately the answer will be only one. Sometimes there might be two answers also.
Yes, yes.
There is no comma, nothing over here. It means you need to check both of the options over here. So yeah, this both will be considered. So proceeding further with question 15, what does it
Question
says is
15.
what is the output of the following code? We are having a name. There is a list, and this is not one. This is L, and we are iterating through a for loop. Then after we are appending the values of I to list, and I has been capitalized. So what would be the answer? We'll copy it.
Yes, question number 15.
Chirag says Mahesh in spaces. Let's
Okay.
see.
Mm-hmm. Very good, Chirag. Any other?
Aryan says Mahesh without spaces. Two separate statements combined without a semicolon. Chirag, are you telling about question number 14?
No, it is Milan. Milan.
Ah, sorry, Milan.
Two separate statement. Yes,
No,
question.
actually, two separate statements are not combined together. They are just giving you the particular. Let me take you to that particular question. Wait. What they are telling is what you need to do. You are having a list like this. Actually, I need to create a list again. No worries.
Dictionary, right?
Yeah, dictionary. So you are having option B and C like this. So what they are telling is they are not telling to execute this one by one. Means not together. You need not to execute both in one line. They are telling to execute that one by one. Means one after another. So how we add some names and different values in a dictionary step by step. You can do the in a same way. Option C is telling you to do add the things in stepwise thing way. S- Understood? Means one by one. Executing first statement initially, and then after proceeding further with this. I'll show you the output of this also. Wait. Initially, we'll print over here first. Print student. See, there is difference. And again, for your confirmation, I'll print option B also. Wait, this is option C. This is option B. C. Sorry, both option B and C are giving the same answer. So there is no need of comma in between because we are not continuing both of the thing in one line. If we are doing both of the thing in one line, then we need to give a comma. But this particular thing will give a fully different answer. This will add a none at the end. See, understood? So what we are doing over here is we are getting an option without semicolon, and there is a new update type of function to a dictionary in a new line. So you need to consider both of the thing in the same option. Since it is given in one option, we need to select both of the things. Yes, we have a new line. Understood? Yeah, so the answer of question number 15 will be this. I guess
Chirag.
Anshal, Anshal, Aryan, and Chirag. Yeah, all of you were correct, but only a thing is that you just need to do that particular thing in a list.
Yes, yes. Let's
So
go to the
proceeding
next
further
one.
with question 16. Question we are having a tuple which contains a list. We are appending one to a list, or we are appending five to a list, and then we are appending. So will it be possible to do append the things in a tuple which contains a list? Can we do the same? Else it will be an error. Right.
Question number 16.
So shall I zoom in?
Yeah, zoom in, zoom in.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's good. So, this is the example of list inside tuple, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
And we are going to try the append. So, tuple is mutable or immutable. Then you will get the answer. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. B for beta from Milan. Chirag beta. Okay, any other? Anchal B for beta. Yes. Yes,
Yes,
oh.
all of you are correct.
Let's go to the last three questions. Question number 17.
Yeah, so question number 17 says is S contains a set, D contains a dictionary, and we need to print the length of a set and length of dictionary.
Yes, come on. Question number 17. Let's take at least 30 seconds so that we can finish it within next 5-10 minutes. Come on. Question number 17. A for alpha from Milan. A
Cool,
for alpha from Anchal.
cool, cool.
Very good.
Shirag, you are lagging behind. Let's see the output.
Yeah.
Oops, there is an error. Why so?
Aryan is saying A. Okay.
Print length of S and length of T. Cool, let's correct. It will give an error.
right? So correct answer is C, right? Okay.
Length will not be 3. It will give an error since the error says is unsupported operand type S for end,
Yeah.
set and dictionary. So
Yes, yes, yes.
you can separately take the length of S and D, but you can't do end operation for both of them. So it will give an error.
Well
So
tried.
proceeding further with question. Yes, sir.
Question number 18. Well try, well try. Great one.
Question number 18 is importing an numpy array. A is containing an array of 1, 2, 3. B is containing a separate arrays of 4, 5, and 6. What would be the output of this? There is question mistake. I'll solve it before you execute. I guess there is a question mistake in this. There should be. Yeah, try to solve. No worries. Can we use? Can use and between a section dictionary? No, we can't use. Milan, we can't use and between a set and dictionary. Question is visible. 18th.
A little bit zoom in. Yeah, yeah. Now it's good. Come on, last three questions. This is 18.
Do you know what is at the rate? What does an
Mi-
at the rate do?
Milan is saying B for beta.
B for beta. Let's wait for others too.
Om is asking what is the meaning of at the rate? Print A at the rate B. Do you have any idea?
I guess it's taking a bit of more time. I'll say
Yes.
the answer. The answer is B. 1 comma 1.
Yeah, we are getting answer from Milan and Anchal B. B for beta. Great.
Correct, correct. Syntax for metric. Yes, Milan, correct. It is the syntax for matrix multiplication.
Yes. Good.
Actually, it is not been taught in Python NPTEL, but yeah, it is. So proceeding further with question 19, we are
Yes.
having a some function in question means in variable A, another function in variable B. What we are doing is doing A plus B, and B is containing a slicing of -1. So what would be the answer? Students, what would be the answer?
Let's wait for 10 more seconds, then we'll go next. I mean, you just explain and give the answer. Now, I
Okay.
hope they are tired. Actually,
Yeah, sir. Actually,
actually, this
it's 11:20.
20, but
Yeah.
ultimately, we are engineer.
And actually, the
We
exams
prepare
are
our
also
ship.
coming nearby. So,
Yeah. So we should be alive in night also.
sir, but engineers are waking up at exam time only.
But okay, we are trying for a gold and silver. Let's see.
Nah, sir, only gold, no silver.
Ah, gold. Great. Good.
Only gold. Especially the students which are watching live session right now, I am
Yeah.
aiming only for gold.
Yes, yes.
If you
And
need
of
more
course,
option bank and more IPYNBs, you will definitely be getting that particular thing through Snehal, sir.
we appreciate Om. And if we receive any single gold, Om, we will call you. We'll give you.
Definitely, definitely, sir. I'll be there.
Anyways, even we get the silver, then also we will definitely catch you and will do
So,
something.
sir, I don't think so. There will be more
Yeah.
answers. So, yeah, Milan, you are correct.
Day 80. Yes, Milan. Milan, we are expecting gold from you. Great.
The last question for today is we are having a dictionary of, and there is some function applied to that particular dictionary, and we are doing an append operation on that dictionary and we are printing it. So, what would be the answer?
Yes, come on. Last questions. Last question is with you, and then we'll finish it. Don't worry. Meanwhile, thank you so much, all the viewers, and who is going to watch later on. Please go through with these all questions. It will definitely help you. Meanwhile, let me declare my top fans today in this live
Mm-hmm.
session, and it is declared by YouTube, who
Okay.
is, continue consistently be with us throughout this 2 hours 20 minutes. So, of course, my first ranker is Milan. Second
Yeah.
is Aryan. Third is Chiragahir. Fourth one is
Mm-hmm.
Anchal. Fifth one is Vishesh Jani. And sixth one is Dhruv Gedia.
Sir, even
These all,
alumni are still here,
yeah, yeah. So these
watching
are
till the
now,
end.
yeah, great. So,
Option
anyways,
D.
we are getting answer from Milan. That is B, B for beta.
Any more
So
answers?
Anjali is also saying B.
Oh, correct. Both are
Yeah,
correct. Where is Chirag?
probably he is solving, but he is not fastest finger first, I guess.
Okay, no worries. The option B is the correct answer.
Correct answer. Yeah, Viraj is now
Yeah,
there.
Chirag is here. Yeah.
Yeah, so first of all, okay, let's end up here. I really appreciate Om Booth. You prepared these questions from your experience of the last two exams. You collected, actually, Om, let me tell you, Om collected more than, for this week, more than 50 to 60 questions, but we covered only 20. And for week one, also, I guess more than 50 questions he prepared.
Yeah. Yeah.
So almost he is having the, we can say that the dictionary of, I think for all quiz four, is having more than 200 questions, I guess.
Yeah. It might be around 2 to 300. Yeah.
Yeah, 200 to 300s. And I really appreciate Om Booth, that you, till now 11:30, right? And and I really appreciate all my
Mhm.
fans. Let me again tell on live My six friends are there who is watching continuously from the starting beginning. So Milan, thank you so much. Aryan, thank you so much. Chirag Ahir, thank you so much. Anchal Mawani, thank you. She is alumni actually and she is participating. I really appreciate Anchal. Wishes Jani, thank you so much. Dhruv Vedia, thank you so much. And thank you so much, Om Bhut. And looking
Thank you very
forward to the next week. And really, I really appreciate due to you, the people are working and people will definitely get some help to solve these things. Dear students, please give some feedback to Om. Showcase some love by sending some heart to Om. Uh, Chirag is
much.
having some doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
Meanwhile,
Yes, yes, Chirag, please, sir.
yeah, Chirag, tell me.
Game over.
Yeah, for Milan it is over. We are still alive, Milan. Chirag, what is the question in
Yes,
board? Quick.
please. Okay,
Uh,
set equals to
city.
YouTube. If okay,
Okay. City. Yeah, he is actually sending some message.
yes, Chirag, what you need to find it out over here means what is your doubt?
City is equals to Facebook or WhatsApp. It's wrong. It's YouTube. Maybe. Sarans Kaushik. Oh, Sarans Kaushik. Thank you so much, dear. Sarans, if you want to deliver something, you are always invited. I know you are also actively working in the machine learning or data science deep learning part.
Output,
Output is wrong. Where it is asked, Chirag,
Chirag, what?
what expected output is right. Okay, actually, he wants output wrong, right. Actually, there are three print wrong, right, and maybe. So he's saying city is YouTube. If city is Facebook or WhatsApp. So now if condition is there, then print wrong. Okay, Alif city is equal to YouTube. What is incorrect? Print right. Else print maybe. Oh my god, confusing. Okay, anyways, Chirag, we will copy and paste in the ID and see.
Wait, wait, wait. City equals to YouTube. If
Hmm.
city equals to Facebook or WhatsApp, print
Hmm.
wrong. Else if city equals to YouTube, print right. Else maybe. So, what is your expected output that you are
It,
asking for?
it will go to the Alif, I guess, because in first, of course, we will get the true because Facebook or WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. The output will be right.
Else
Yeah.
print maybe.
Remove. Yeah, we got. But what we are telling is the output will be right because what you are doing over here, there is if condition. If city equals to Facebook or WhatsApp, it will print wrong. Else, if the city is equals to YouTube, it will print right. Else, it will print maybe. So according to this, it should print right. There is no much logic in this particular question.
Yeah. So any
That's okay.
queries there, Chirag? Then tell us. I hope you got the things.
What expected output is right here? Output is wrong. Chirag, I'll Run.
NPTEL.
Yeah, 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 definitely. Wait, wait, wait. I'll
Okay.
run the code. Wait. My screen is visible.
No, no. Let me. Yeah, now it's visible.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm running the code. I guess it's visible now. Okay. 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 You are telling this. Right. 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 Gotcha. Okay. It's not going in else if but. Right. Okay. So the
Hmm.
error
What is
Chirag
the
is
answer?
getting is, yeah. It is, the answer
Wrong.
is wrong. Hmm. It's
If
not been
it
able to
is equal
go
to
in.
YouTube, then the meaning of or is it will take a
Yeah,
true
sir. Got
value,
it.
right?
Got. Let me check once if I'm correct.
Or will get the true value,
Yeah,
right?
sir. I got the
Yeah.
error. What you need to do is, Chirag, there is an error that you need to put this whole over thing in a circular bracket just because you are even giving a condition of or in both of them. If it is Facebook or if it is WhatsApp, if you are not giving like bracket in this both the options, then what you need to do is you need to just write this particular thing again before WhatsApp. See, likewise. Got it?
Got it, Chirag? Done?
So if the question is like this, then the output will be, हाँ जी 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 आपके ना ना मैं ले लूँ हाँ उनको बोल दो so the Chirag, the answer will be wrong in this particular question just because there is no bracket over here. If there is bracket over here, then the output will be right. Got it?
Yes. Yes, yes. Nice. Once again, thank you so much, Om. Once again, thank
Thank you
you
very much,
so
sir.
much, all my viewers. Om, really appreciate that you are spending time while you are in the internship also. You are in the working place or what right now?
No, sir. Actually, I just came an hour ago,
Okay, okay, okay,
starting before starting the lecture.
okay, okay. So, thank you so much, Om. Om is doing internship and working as a data analyst also, and is helping us to get the good result, right? So we should give him a good feedback, a big applause also. Students, you can write, give some comments in chat box for Om if you wish to write. How was the sessions? Please write in the chat box, give some feedback or suggestions, right? So yes, that's it for today. Big round of applause for Om.
Thank you,
And
thank
big round of applause for all my viewers who bear
you.
us
Still
for 2 hours and 30 minutes.
there. I guess there will be a 2 to 3 goals from here itself.
Yeah,
There should be.
yes, yes. So people are giving you heart,
Thank you very
big
much.
heart. Okay, so okay, dear all, let's
Okay.
end up this session. Okay, Om. Uh,
Yes,
thank you so
definitely, sir.
much. Yeah, thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you very much.
Sir, your session is very enjoyable there, and also classes in BCA for cybersecurity subject very great, sir. Of course, Anchal, very soon in this month itself, due to this kind of motivation, we are coming with cybersecurity session also. Thank you so much, Anchal. You are alumni, and really, I am really very happy that आप अभी भी मतलब इतने मिड नाइट में मतलब 11:30 तक भी मेरे सेशन को देखते हो, राइट? सो दैट्स गुड. या ऑफ कोर्स वी आर कमिंग विद साइबर सिक्योरिटी.
So the alumni are still with us means in
Yeah,
connection.
really, really very happy, Anchal. Very happy to see you here. Please stay tuned. We are coming with the good sessions with projects also. Okay, we will
Definitely.
build we will build good
Sessions,
projects
yeah,
by
yeah.
using Python, by using data science, by using different libraries. Om, do you want to share something about projects in upcoming session?
Definitely, there will be project sessions also. But before project, what we will do is we will cover whole of the syllabus of data science, data analysis, machine learning, AI. This all the things will be definitely covered. And along with this, projects of each of them will also been covered in this particular session. Not only one, but there might be multiple projects related to all of them, even cybersecurity also.
Yeah, yeah,
I don't think so. Okay, cybersecurity project should be covered on YouTube, means on camera. It
yeah.
should be covered offline.
YouTube will ban us if we will do something. But of course, we will
Yeah,
start cybersecurity from scratch.
yeah, cybersecurity will be started, but I don't
Yeah,
think so. We should proceed further with cybersecurity projects because due
of
to some of
course.
the norms of YouTube.
Yeah, yeah. Anyways, with this, we are going to end this session. Again, once again, thank you, Om. Thank you, all viewers.
Thank you very much, sir.
After you, I will leave the session. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.